Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 1. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to build a case study factory that converts short, provable wins into publishable case studies so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. Your skills are your freedom currency. Quick hook. I hear this every week. I'd hire you, but do you have proof it moves money? That single sentence is why talented nomads miss out on 8K to 20K retainers. Prospects don't buy promises. They buy proof that you affect their bottom line. If your portfolio is a scattered gallery of logos and screenshots, you're leaving negotiation power and revenue on the table. Today, we solve that with a system that turns short, provable wins into repeatable sales assets. Section 1. What the case study factory actually is and the one action you can do today. The case study factory is a repeatable 4-part system: targeted win selection, rapid data capture, AI-assisted narrative crafting, and publishable distribution templates. The core idea: short, measurable wins beat long portfolios because they map directly to client economics, conversions, revenue, retention. Today's one action: pick one client or trial project you can measure in 2 weeks and commit to capturing 3 outcome metrics. That's it. Small commitment, big leverage. Why short wins outperform long portfolios. Attention and trust are short form. A 2-week landing page test with a 20-30% conversion lift tells a prospect exactly what you can do to their funnel. A 3-month brand refresh with fuzzy indicators does not. So the factory prioritizes wins that directly affect client economics: conversion rate, average order value, lead to opportunity velocity, churn reduction, or ad spend efficiency. Choose wins that move money, and your case studies will do the heavy lifting in sales conversations. Section 2. Steps 1 and 2 in practice: targeted win selection and rapid data capture. Step 1. Targeted win selection. Ask yourself, what problem does my ideal 8K plus retainer client care about this quarter? If they're an e-commerce founder, it's conversion rate and AOV. If they're a SaaS founder, it's trial to paid conversion and churn. Pick wins that reduce acquisition cost or increase lifetime value. Those are the metrics buyers understand and pay for. Narrow the scope. Optimize checkout funnel step 3 beats improve conversion generally. Step 2. Rapid data capture. This is non-negotiable. For every experiment or short engagement, capture 3 things: baseline, change, and context. Baseline example: conversion rate was 3.2% on page A. Change: after the update, conversion rose to 4.1%. Context: test ran 2 weeks. Traffic source was paid search. A/B test ran on 4,200 sessions. Those 3 data points make your claim credible. Use a simple tracking template: metric name, pre-value, post-value, sample size, dates, traffic source, and related revenue estimate. Set a 90-minute cap for the write-up. Clarity over polish. Section 3. Steps 3 and 4 plus distribution. Step 3. AI-assisted narrative crafting. Structure every case study as headline, one-line outcome, problem, intervention, proof, and revenue impact. Headline formula: client type, measurable outcome in time frame. Example: DTC brand, 28% lift in checkout conversions in 14 days. Use AI to draft tight headlines, social hooks, and a 1-page result summary. Then edit for specificity and tone. Don't let AI hallucinate numbers. Feed it your captured metrics and ask for exact language that ties outcomes to revenue. Step 4. Publishable distribution templates. You need 3 assets: a 1-page case study PDF for proposals, a short LinkedIn post with a clear CTA, and a cold or opening email template that references the result. Example email opener: quick note, we ran a 14-day checkout test for a DTC brand and lifted conversions 28% with a single variation. That work paid for itself in ad efficiency. If you're seeing checkout friction, this is something I can replicate in 2 weeks. Want the 1 page? Attach the PDF. Keep templates modular so you swap metrics and client type without rewriting everything. Real Nomad example, quick walkthrough. A Nomad client I coached did a 2-week landing page optimization for a boutique fitness brand. Baseline: 2.9% conversion, 3,800 sessions. Intervention: simplified form, social proof module, and 2 headline tests. Result: Conversion rose to 3.8%, a 31% lift. With average order value of $80, that translated to an estimated $24,000 incremental revenue in month 1 for the brand. Messaging used in outreach, 31% lift in 14 days for a fitness brand. I can run the same test on your top converting page and show ROI before we talk retainers. That line opened the door to a $12K monthly retainer because the client valued predictable, measurable lifts. How to scale this without burning out. Batch data capture and writing. Reserve 2 hours once a week to batch 3 case study write-ups using your templates. Reuse core assets. 1 PDF, 1 email, 1 LinkedIn post. Rotate metrics and client type. Automate the outreach pipeline. A simple sequence that sends the 1-page PDF after an initial discovery or targeted cold open increases response rates and complexity stays low. And protect your energy. Set a strict 90-minute cap per case study draft, then polish later when a lead shows interest. Ship proof. Don't perfect it. Immediate 30-minute action you can take right now. Pick one recent client or microtest. Open a simple spreadsheet with these columns: metric, pre-value, post-value, sample size, dates, traffic source, revenue impact, and fill it in. Then use the 90-minute headline and one-pager template. Headline, one-line outcome, problem, intervention, proof with numbers, and a single-sentence CTA. If you do that in 30 minutes, you'll have a publishable asset that can start warming prospects today. Small work, high leverage. If you want templates, swipe files, and the exact AI prompts I use to generate headlines and social hooks, check out the Case Study Toolkit course. It includes the 1-page PDF templates, email sequences, LinkedIn post bundles, and a batching calendar designed for nomads who need results without burnout. Enroll. Download the swipe files and plug them into the 30-minute checklist. Your skills are your freedom currency. Charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results. I'll be back tomorrow with another tactical system to help you get higher-paying clients while protecting your energy on the road. Charge what you're worth. Build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. Your skills are your freedom currency.